Ray Bay, my Ray Face. I am back with another vlog for y'all. Okay, y'all, I've literally been doing videos like all weekend since Friday to Sunday, and I've been vlogging, but like my videos been everywhere because it was my anniversary and I was just running around everywhere. But today gonna be a good video. Because I'm going to the gun range or whatever. I bought a gun. It's a 9. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there and stuff. But yeah, so I've been running around doing extra stuff. But today I'm finally on time. I'm not running late. My bad, I'm fixing the camera. But yeah, y'all, yeah, my outfit is hard. Okay, I look good today. Okay, well, I looked good all weekend. I look good every day at that. But yeah, so I'm gonna just start back vlogging when I get to the gun range though, for real this time, because I know I've been slacking. Like, I've been doing a lot, y'all, because I do intros, so that's like another thing. Like, it's just been a lot. I work full-time already. I got some real big coming up. I'm not gonna tell y'all just gonna see when it happens. And then I do intros, so you know, people hit me up about intros all the time, and I be busy doing those, also working. Then I got kids, so I'm still trying to get it together, but I'm gonna definitely be having content drop for y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna get back on her when I go to the gun range. So what's up, my face? Okay, so I am at the gun range now. Now I'm saying, y'all happy because I never shot no gun. I mean, I have, but I never did it in here. But you know, so yeah, we finna get litty. Come on. Well, let's go. Come on me. Okay, y'all, so we finna go in.
You don't know. Don't put your, hold it firm. That's it.
Ready?
Yeah.
I like this though.
Keep going. Okay. Now cock the Glock.
Done, right?
Did you cock it?
Yes.
Don't turn it to your face.
This one over here. See? Right.
Bro, hold it firm.
So y'all gonna see me up here more often because I gotta get a little bit more work in. Okay, y'all, so I am done. I'm gonna show y'all when I get back to the car. Okay, y'all, so when I tell you I just came from the gun range and baby, it was giving. I got my targets. Yeah, that's what it was giving. Period. I think it was giving that. I can do better. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna be, because I'm really turning into a gun fanatic at this point because, baby, that was fun. I ain't gonna lie, I got nails on, so it kind of was like a little hard. A little bit, wait, I don't know. But it was fun. Whatever. I want to shoot a big gun, a shotgun or a AR. One of those. Next. And I want to shoot the rifle too. A rifle is one of my dream guns, but them guns expensive. I bought those first. Or Mexican names. But anyways, yeah, y'all, I'm on my way to eat some Mexican food. Y'all already know how I feel about that. Y'all already know how. Ooh, that's the police. Okay, y'all, so I am actually done with my vlog. I just wanted to eat, like, you know, enjoy my time. So just make sure y'all give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all share. Yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, my faves.